Good morning, everybody. It's Dr. A back in the garden, and I just want to show you a couple of really cool hellebores. Boy, I think these are spectacular. I just love this one with the variegated foliage. Look at the beautiful foliage. It's going to be lovely, I mean, all season. These are hybrids, and this is called Frost Kiss. And there's a whole bunch of colors of flowers. Foliage is really handsome, I'm telling you, and I love it. So I wanted to show you this, but I also wanted to show you another really fabulous group of plants of hellebores. I'm just going to take you through my garden here, and to this one. This is another fabulous one. It's morning, and so we're getting a lot of light right now. This is Ice and Roses. Both of these series, Frost Kiss with the variegated foliage, Ice and Roses with a beautiful glossy foliage, have upright, handsome flowers. And these are really great. So go out and get them. I happen to get most of my hellebores from the Perennial Farm, who are online, perennialfarmmarketplace.com. But you can get them wherever you'd like. I love these two series. I have probably 20 of them in my garden, so you can see that's where I spend my time. Anyway, all the best. Let's go.